Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Start by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and access Display. Then scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!